5 na lang ang natitira. Wala na kasing pambayad. Yung kay Kaufman nga, 150 million, chinugi na nila. Dahil sobrang laki ng bayad nila ron. So, kumuha sila ng bagong abogado na 30 million lang. Alam nyo, napapansin na nila yan, na kahit magbayad sila na magbayad sa rally, o kung kani-kanino man, kay Park, kay Banat Bay, walang mangyayari. Dahil alam nila na wala silang mapapala at talo talaga sila.
Kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-best na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari, what would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Lauren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Sabi mo, ito yung malapit, pinalis na kami dyan. Sabi ko, well then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, huwag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, huwag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotion.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi nilang dadating na. So, again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocol.
News reports that probably 2 of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend. Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted in Section 41C para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng Ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President? That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair, the gentleman is out of order because his question sa nagmamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it up.